Hello aspirants, in today's video I will be highlighting a topic which is very dear to the Assamese culture and also to its people. It's the Gamosa. Whenever you hear this particular word, the literal meaning which anybody will derive is Gamosa. That means a cloth which is used to wipe one's body. But despite this particular utility, it has diverse uses. Basically, the Uka Gamosa is used to wipe one's body. This is one utility, but it is also used to felicitate dignitaries or celebrities, and that is the Phulam Gamosa or the floral Gamosas. To know more about Gamosa, please stay tuned with this particular video. This symbol of Assamese nation traces its history to the early 1916 and 1917 when the Ahom Satra Honmilon and the Ahom Sahitya Sabha were formed. However, the Gamosa has attained a new role from the time when the anti-foreigners agitation movement started in Assam in the early 1980s and the 1985, and then the Gamosa attained a new significance. Basically, it was used as a symbol to highlight Assamese nationalism, and it stood as a national flag, that is the Jatiya Pataka. So, when it was highlighted as a symbol of the Assamese identity or the Assamese community, people started writing messages in a Gamosa with their own blood, taking the Assamese nationalism to its climax, unifying the people together, solidifying their objectives and aspirations, and also driving the foreigners out. So Gamosa, which had a literal meaning that it is a cloth which is used as a towel basically to wipe one's body, has attained significance over the years as a symbol which is highlighting the entire Assamese community, and also a symbol which shows the richness of this particular community. Basically, it became a symbol of Assamese identity. Apart from highlighting the uniqueness of the Assamese culture and its identity, Gamosa also can be used as a symbol of peace, friendship and coordination. By coordination, I mean that whenever a small community wants to integrate itself in a larger community, they go for the negotiation process. And in this negotiation process, Gamosas are used as a symbol to negotiate. A symbol which highlights peace and friendship. So during Bihu, which is the main festival of Assam, Bihuans are used, which is another name which is attached to the Gamosa. Basically, during Bihu, Gamosa is being used as a gift. It is highly used in the Assamese culture, and basically during Bihu time, Gamosa attains the role of being a Bihuan. So we can say that Gamosa not only has a functional role of being an item which is used to wipe one's body, but it has an expansive identity from being something which has spiritual significance, from an existential significance, and also which can hold significance from a romantic perspective. That is, when a woman weaves a Gamosa, every thread that she picks up, every symbol that attains shape, carries the love for the person for whom she is weaving that particular piece. So over the years, despite this popularity, Gamosa has attained certain criticism, and this criticism is basically attached to the term that Gamosa has been used as a symbol of cultural invasion. Despite the different criticisms and apprehensions which has been attached to this particular cultural symbol, many such stories has attained momentum, but everything has been engulfed between its folds. And Gamosa has successfully grounded itself as a marker of Assamese unity, culture and identity. To conclude, we can say that Gamosa is a metaphor which highlights itself as a symbol of acceptance, reverence, love and identity of the Assamese people. If you like our videos, then please stay tuned with our channel and do like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.